How to find live wallpaper sound settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find live wallpaper sound settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here we'll find profile, click on it and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and then just scroll down until you find this one, wallpaper, and then just click here in the top corner and now click here. You'll find sound settings. You can manage here anything you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.